We're going to show you this easy method on a gray partridge. Spread your bird out, pinch the bit of skin using any kind of knife, just cut into the skin. Once you've cut into the skin, you can see the breast. Put your fingers up there. All you're doing is touching meat and skin, and pull the skin straight back to show the breast. A bit of cartilage there. All you need to do is follow the bone with your knife. Don't worry if you're wasting anything. You can always go back and pick it up later. And just follow along. You're not opening the body cavity. You're just removing the breast from the breastbone. And there we go. You get a little breast. There's a tiny bit of tendon or something chewy in there which you can cut out later. You do that twice. You can do the same thing with a pheasant or a grouse or whatever game bird or roadkill you happen upon or is given to you. There's two little breasts. Now if you want the leg, just do the same thing. Peel that bit of skin back off the leg. I'll tidy that up in a minute. And when you if you spread the leg away from the body, you'll find there's a little join, little bone there. Cut into the bone. It's very easy to snap, so you don't have to be too exact. Cut it off. Peel the skin. And here's a little tip for you. That little joint there has a tendon in it. If you nick the joint, like so, bend the leg back, twist it around, and pull up, you get the tendon out, and you won't have a tough chewy bit in the leg. So there you go. Do the other leg just the same. Two breasts, two legs. Didn't have to take the head off, didn't have to take the wings off, didn't have to clean the guts out. A tidy little package.